It's day 11 in the 12 days of cone trees. Get ready to be dazzled. I'm going to be doing quite a small cone this time. This one's only about 8 inches tall, and I've given it a coat of black acrylic paint. I'm using a square paper plate from Dollar Tree to put my glitter in. Not all glitter is created equal. I picked this up on Amazon. It's a chunky holographic glitter that's made up of hexagonal shapes in different sizes. Let's grab a plate and a dollop of Mod Podge and a foam brush. Mod Podge has a tendency to dry quite quickly, so you may have to do this in more than one section. Once I've got enough Mod Podge, I roll it back and forth in the glitter with a little bit of pressure to make sure that it gets well coated. As you can see, there are some spots where the Mod Podge dried before the glitter got adhered to it. No worries, we can just add another section of Mod Podge on top of that, since it dries quite quickly, and reapply the glitter. If you find that rolling the cone is not picking up enough glitter, you can always just dump glitter directly out of the container, because any glitter that lands in that plate is going to end up getting recycled back into that container. And I generally pat it down using my fingers to make sure all of that glitter lays flat. And just continue adding glitter to the cone in as many sections as you need until the entire cone is covered with beautiful hexagonal holographic glitter. And now I'm just going to take all of that leftover glitter that fell into the paper tray that I had below, and I'm just going to give it a little bend, and I'm going to pour it all directly back into my container, almost like those old Crisco commercials. I hardly used any at all. It was always my intention to put this tree on a base. I wanted to use one of these Dollar Tree candle holders. However, I can no longer find them at my dollar store, so on to plan B. This is just a little liqueur glass that I picked up at a secondhand store, and I believe I paid 50 cents for it. I love the shape of it, however, the color is not quite what I wanted, so I'm going to give it a coat of gloss black spray paint. So here we are in my outdoor studio, aka behind my shed, and I'm giving it a coat of gloss black spray paint. And check out that beautiful gloss shine on this. It's exactly the look that I wanted. I think this would be really pretty with a group of these. Let's do that now.